Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shweb and today I'm going to show you how to get started with the AI Thinker ESP32-CAM using MicroPython. We'll go through everything step by step here, from setting up the board to streaming video directly to your browser. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, here's what you will need for this project: AI Thinker ESP32-CAM board, FTDI USB to serial adapter, jumper wires, a breadboard, your laptop with Python and MPRemote installed. Remember, breadboard is optional. Okay, now if you have already checked the official MicroPython website, you probably noticed that there is no firmware that supports the ESP32-CAM camera module out of the box. So don't worry, in this video I'll walk you through step by step using a custom firmware that supports the camera, and we'll even test it with a large script. Okay, let's go. Alright, so you have to go over on this repository. I'll provide you the link in the description. So from here you can download the firmware that supports ESP32-CAM. Alright, and now as you can see that you have to connect the RX with UART, TX with UART, VCC with 5 volts, and ground with the ground of ESP32-CAM. Alright, what we are going to do next is that we are going to do some flashing. Okay, let me show you how we can do that. So I'm using the virtual environment, and how you can create that, let me show you right from the start. Okay, so I already have the virtual environment. You can create your own using this command. And you can name it whatever you want. So here you can name it whatever you want, and let me name it VNV. So here you can see that here, right here, that it will be created. Okay, as you can see that here it has already been created. Now what we're going to do next is that Okay, alright, so after creating the virtual environment, what we are going to do is that we are going to flash it. For flashing, we are going to install first